Okay, so this is Kanchan. Kanchan is an 11-year-old girl, and Kanchan's story is a remarkable story. When she was 6 months old, her parents threw her in a garbage pit because they didn't want her. And a vegetable vendor nearby heard her cries and picked her up and brought her home to raise her up as her own child. Uh, Kanchan was like any other child till she was 4 years old, and she was playing, running around, doing things. She was happy. But at the age of 4, she had a stroke, due to which she has developed spasticity in all her limbs. As you can see, her legs are tight and will not extend beyond this degree. Her head is always down. And she lives in a very small house. As you can see, this is how big her house is, and there's one more room there inside. So that you can see, that's how big her house is. This is the lady who rescued her. Chachi, Kanchan pura din kya karti hai? So Chachi said, I asked her what did she do the whole day, and Chachi said that she just sleeps the whole day. और खाना पीना के लिए कैसा? खाना पाना खवाती है. So even when she's eating, she just lies down, and it's very difficult for Chachi to, at her age, to be active with this girl. But Kanchan is a very happy child. She is very close with her mother, and they try to make up with whatever they have. So we believe that if we give her a wheelchair, we can at least take her outside and show her what the outside world looks like, because living in these conditions can get pretty awful at times. So so this is the life of Kanchan.